Hello friends, welcome back to BabyCan. In today's video, we are going to talk about the manual breast pumps. Friends, there are different types of breast pumps available in the market, including manual pumps, silicone manual pumps, electric pumps, and hospital-grade pumps, which vary in terms of efficiency, cost, and convenience. The choice of the pumps depends on the individual's need and the circumstances. It is important to follow the proper hygiene and storage guidelines when using a breast pump to ensure the safety of the expressed breast milk and the well-being of the baby. There are many points why people use breast pumps: milk expression, maintaining milk supply, feeding convenience, relief from engorgement, collecting and storing extra milk, donating milk, or relieving sore nipples. So friends, this is the basic information about the breast pumps. Product which I have mentioned here, they are very safe and listed after reviewing many points. You can buy any of them as per your budget. I have mentioned very affordable products here. And you can check the description box for some more best options. Online prices of the products fluctuate very frequently, so I have given the link of these products into description box where you can go and check the latest discounted prices as well as the detailed information about these products. I hope this video is going to be useful for you, and if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your family and friends.